Okay, I'm getting ready to run that landscape lighting. This is low voltage wiring. This happens to be 12-2 low voltage, 100 feet. And before you get the wire at the store, make sure you look at your existing wiring, your low voltage wiring, and see if it's 12-2, 14-2, or 16-2. If you're not quite sure, you can take a little piece, you can cut it off, take it to the hardware store, talk to the electrical salesperson in the electrical department, and all that. Okay? And now I need to fish that through that pipe. It should slip through there really easily, but I'm going to make a decision here. You see right there, it looks like they had duct tape over that end, and they did that years ago. Here's a little bit more duct tape over there. Okay, they did that years ago. I'm not quite sure exactly why, because if you had a tree root from this tree and it wanted to go that way, it could get right through that duct tape. Maybe that was there just to keep the dirt from going in there, but once you put the dirt back in there, where's it going to go? But in any case, you see, there's not much room there. I don't want to take the rest of that duct tape off. If I can slide it from that way over, and you see there, oh, that one's up kind of high too. Okay. See, I thought the duct tape was loose down there further. I have some duct tape too, so I'll have to make a decision. Which side do I want to fish from? I think I'll fish from this side going that way. So all I have to do is just kind of loosen the duct tape, kind of push it down so I can fish that through. Okay, so I got a putty knife. I got a putty knife over here. I'll fix that in a minute. Okay.